Look, man, Mr. 300 here, man. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Let's get it, man. We're going to get right into it, man. I'm not doing all that talking, man. I'm telling you guys right now, you guys can see from the thumbnail, my training ran out of my car. Not this one. Not this car. Not this car. Not this car, man. I got another one. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going headed right to the shop right now. Hopefully, I can get the shop on camera, man, so they can tell me exactly what's going on, man. I don't know what's going on yet. They told me everything was happening. I got to spend a lot of money on it, and the thing is I'm doing it for content, honestly, bro. I'm doing it for content. I'm doing it for me because it got sentimental value, but I got some plans that I want to do with this whip, man. So I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride, man. I love you guys. Please subscribe down below if you haven't already. Everybody who subscribe down below, you already know the vibes, man. You already know I appreciate everything. Comment down below, but we're gonna get it, man. This is the beginning of the video, man. I'm going right to the shop. I'm gonna turn this bad boy back on, man, where I can get some more, visuals on it and talk to the people and see what's up, man. But anyway, man, we about to start, man. Let's get it, man. Mr. 300, man. Subscribe down below. Let's go. All right, man. We at the shop, man. We about to shop right now. Get up on it. About to go in here and do some talk, some business. I hope. Hopefully, ain't nothing too crazy, but we're gonna see what's happening. Too late?
Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Hey.
What's your name? Pretty. I'm like losing track.
It's a chill shot, man. The inside, I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah, nice.
Thank you. Yeah,
Oh, for real? Oh, okay. Mind if I get a little video or something?
that would be awesome.
Okay, yeah, I do a little YouTube thing, so I don't,
Go ahead.
Cool. I like it. It's indoor. You guys hot? You nervous? Scared a little bit? Okay. Yeah, you gotta get used to it. You gotta promote. You gotta market. You gotta get on it. Yeah.
All shot.
Yeah.
To save you money, and then we drop the AC repair.
Grease monkey.
And that was just by switching out the parts.
What's up, bro? How you been, man?
Good. All right, so are you going to go over the breakdown of the...
Niggas be nervous on the mic. I'm real comfortable. Look, count my dough and smoke up. I'm from California. Me, my weed is potent. All my bitches go up. Where you from? So what? All y'all niggas so tough. All you niggas so broke. All my niggas so up. California soda. And I'm still a owner. And I'm on my shit. Smelling my aroma. Fuck you niggas, watch this. Rollie with no top tick. Oops, I mean no TikTok. Never took no pit stop. Every time my shit drop, victory for hip hop. Never mind my title, I'm the up and coming Michael. All I got is ice on. Skinny as.
This is it, man. It looked dirty, it looked bad, but it's all right, man. We're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it real right, man. I promise you. I don't know what I showed from the shop or whatever, but we're gonna edit it right. We're gonna get it right. I promise you guys, man. I'm gonna keep this one the way it is. I'm gonna fix it up and do something dope, man. You guys wondering why they call me Mr. 300, man. This is the reason why I got 2 of them. I promise you it's gonna be the dopest 300 on YouTube. I promise you. It was my goal from the beginning. That's the reason why I got it, man. A lot of people are, hold on, that's all loud and shit, hold on. A lot of people was clowning me, man, about, oh man, you got the same car twice, girls, Didn't you get this already out of this car? You just changed the color. Like, all right, man, you guys don't see the vision, man, but I promise you guys, man, it's gonna be something different, man. I got a couple of plans, some crazy plans involved, so you guys gonna see, man. You guys gonna see the vibes, man. But anyway, man, we hopping out of that one. We're gonna get into this one, man. Hope you guys having a good day, man. This is just the beginning. I promise you, man. Comment down below, subscribe down below. You guys gonna see the vibes, man. The vision is coming, man. I promise you. You guys should know what it is, man. I promise you, man. I don't know why I keep saying that, but it got sentimental value, man. So that's why I'm putting so much money into it, man. And the problem is, the problem is it got sentimental value, man. So it's like I got to put money into it to get it the way I want it to be, the way I want it to be, man. And I've been through so much in this car, man. The other one, not this one, but the other one. So it got a lot of, I'm gonna tell my story about it eventually, man, once people really care about it, man. But I've been through a lot with it, so I want to keep it going, man. I want to keep it in the family. I want to keep it going. I promise you, I still said I'm gonna give it away when I get to 100,000 subscribers, man. So that's still a promise I made, and I'm gonna get there, man. So you better believe, man, the build is coming. I'm talking about exhaust. We're talking about wraps. I'm not gonna tell you all the secret stuff, but the dent's coming out, the wrap is coming, the rim, the wheels is gonna be changed, all that stuff, man. A lot of stuff is coming, man. A lot of stuff is coming, man. So anyway, man, Mr. 300, comment down below, subscribe down below if you haven't already, man. I love you guys. Hope you guys having a great day.
But if you a real nigga, had to do real shit, come from a real struggle, hustle and deal shit, promise you feel less, know that you feel less. All of my real bloods, all of my real crips, doing everything for you. Shout out that real bitch. Hop on them planes, nigga, taking them field trips. Pull up and drop coops, hopped in them big 12s. Went from them mixtapes, shut down retail. Switching my line, nigga, she hitting my